Hello friends, Habibi here. In this video I'm not going to make a tutorial. I don't have a mood to make new videos these days. Yeah, and I want to share something with you guys. Maybe you too. I learned to make games, right? And I make game and publish it to Google Play, and somehow I need to monetize my game, right? I try to put advertising, and I try to put in-app purchasing feature, and now I'm talking about people like this user that give me 1-star rating to my game and said too many ads. So this is what I'm going to say to people like this one, or maybe people all around the world, for example, that watching YouTube videos also has ads everywhere, ads, advertising. So if you don't want to see ads, pay stupid, pay, and you won't see ads. You don't want to pay, you want free things from internet, then you see ads. It is you that is stupid, and 1-star that you give us just reflect your stupidity. You don't want ads, pay it. F you people.